Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix WordPress Elementor loading problems. If you've been struggling with Elementor not loading properly or experiencing slow performance, this guide will walk you through several proven solutions that should get your editor working smoothly. Again, let's dive right in and resolve this issue step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with administrator privileges, as you'll need full access to modify settings and manage plugins throughout this troubleshooting process. Once you're logged in, navigate to Elementor in your left sidebar menu, then click on Settings. From there, select the Advanced tab. This section contains some powerful configuration options that can directly impact how Elementor loads and functions on your site. Look for the option labeled Switch Editor Loader Method and toggle it to enable. This changes the way Elementor loads its editor, which often resolves compatibility issues with certain server configurations or themes. After enabling this option, make sure to click Save Changes to apply the modification. Next, we need to clear Elementor's cache and enable Safe Mode, which can help identify if plugin conflicts are causing your loading issues. Go back to Elementor in your sidebar, but this time click on Tools instead of Settings. Select the General tab, and you'll see several maintenance options here. Click on Clear Files and Data to remove any cached files that might be corrupted or causing conflicts. Right below that, look for Safe Mode and click Enable. Safe Mode temporarily disables all non-essential features and third-party add-ons, allowing you to work with a clean Elementor environment. Don't forget to click Save Changes to confirm these actions. Now let's make sure you're running the latest version of Elementor, as outdated versions can frequently cause loading problems. Click on Plugins in your WordPress sidebar, then select Installed Plugins, scroll through your plugin list, and check for Elementor updates. If you see an update available, you'll notice an Update Now button next to both Elementor and Elementor Pro. Click Update Now for each one to install the latest versions. These updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that could directly address your loading issues. If you're still experiencing loading problems after trying all the previous steps, there's one more troubleshooting method you can try: deactivating all plugins except Elementor to identify potential conflicts. Go back to Plugins, then Installed Plugins. At the top of the plugin list, you'll see a checkbox beside the word plugin. Click this box to select all your plugins at once. Then from the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top, choose Deactivate and click Apply. This will temporarily disable all your plugins. Now manually reactivate only Elementor and Elementor Pro by clicking Activate beneath each one. This isolates Elementor from any conflicting plugins that might be interfering with its loading process. You can then reactivate your other plugins one by one to identify which one was causing the problem. By following these steps, you should have successfully resolved your Elementor loading issues and restored full functionality to your page builder. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.